is Chef Paesana, and today we're making a tomato cold soup. It's called Salmorejo de Cordova, which was started in Andalusia, Spain, a region which specializes in cold soup. Here are the ingredients: a kilo of tomato quartered, half of the garlic clove, stale bread soaked in water, red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper. How to make the Salmorejo de Cordova is: first, you have to place all the ingredients in a big bowl, then start to pasteurize using handheld pasteurizer, or if it's not available, you can use a food processor, until it becomes almost all liquid. Then strain this into a colado tino. If it's not available, just a plain strainer. And that's it. Then you can serve this with diced boiled eggs and ham. So yummy!